Good afternoon. My name is Dawn McLaughlin. It's my pleasure today to demonstrate America's Test Kitchen's foolproof vinaigrette for you all. Ideally, when preparing a vinaigrette to achieve maximum flavor, you must create a suspension by marrying two opposing liquids. In this case, extra virgin olive oil, very good quality extra virgin olive oil, and a great quality red wine vinegar. What makes the marriage work is referred to as an emulsifier. Or an emulsifying agent. America's Test Kitchen in this instance is using mayonnaise as the emulsifying agent, which is very clever because mayonnaise, one of the key ingredients of mayonnaise is egg yolk, which is a potent emulsifier. The secondary emulsifying agent in the foolproof vinaigrette is Dijon mustard, which is also adding flavor in addition to being a secondary emulsifier. America's Test Kitchen's foolproof vinaigrette is also using a 3-to-1 ratio, which is a basic vinaigrette ratio. So you have 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, the red wine vinegar. So let's start. Show you how to mince a shallot. What we want to do is we want to keep the root end on the shallot, cut the tip off, cut it in half, peel it, so you're working with a flat surface. When cooking, in chopping and dicing in culinary world, you always want to work with a flat surface. It's easier to work with, first of all, and less chance of cutting yourself. So we've got a flat surface, we've got our root end on. You want to slice, very thinly slice, because this is a minced shallot, not diced shallot, lengthwise. And then using the palm of your hand or the heel of your hand, hold the shallot down and slice widthwise, again creating a minced shallot as opposed to a diced shallot. What determines the size of the shallot is how far your fingers are apart. So you want to keep your fingers close to the edge of the shallot to again create mince effect. So we're mincing a 1 1/2 teaspoon of shallot. Which I've actually measured out. I just wanted to demonstrate a mincing procedure or process for you all. Okay, so let's put this vinaigrette together, this foolproof vinaigrette. Our red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, and our shallots. We'll slowly drizzle in our olive oil, not too fast. Okay, so we'll start the emulsifying process now by breaking down all the lumps from the mayonnaise and blending this together so they marry as one. Okay, let's go. So, drizzle slowly. And if you see little pools or pockets of olive oil forming on the top of the vinaigrette, just stop adding your oil and whisk vigorously to bring it back together. So we want to finish with salt and pepper. Fresh cracked pepper is probably the way to go, the best way to go. And some salt, a pinch of salt for flavor. Whisk it, and we're done. It yields 1/4 cup, good enough amount for 8 to 10 salads. Happy cooking. Thank you.